This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Daignault. Mostly updated, this 3/2/2 duplex is minutes from I-95 and Street Road 520 makes this a perfect working family home. Vinyl planking flooring throughout. Private backyard, and large two-car garage with entrance into huge indoor laundry/mud room. Tastefully remodeled kitchen with all newer appliances. Catch this one while you can, as it won't last long. For more information or a showing, call Barry Taylor 321-795-7074 for more information. Review the details below or contact Christine Daignault at 321-591-3228.